Today I would like to talk about a virus, which is, I believe, more extremer than the COVID-19. We are affected by the COVID-19 just last year in 2020, but this virus is in our mind, in our senses, or if I say this virus is within us for past few generations, then I won't be wrong. This virus called what people will think, what people will say, what they're gonna think. Or in Urdu or Hindi we say, log kya kahenge. Whatever we do, wherever we go, this thing is in our head. So by keeping this thing in our head, thinking about what other gonna think of us, what other gonna think of our materialistic things, we made our life so difficult. And being a counselor, I can tell the people having anxiety, people having depression because of this. Some of them are into anxiety and depression because of the jealousy. Some of them because they think of low. They think of they compare themselves with others just because of this thing. What others are gonna think, what log gonna think, what people gonna think, what they're gonna say, log kya kahenge. Daily living life, like meeting and greeting each other, being a guest or being a host, attending some functions and ceremony like weddings, birthday parties. We made these simple things so difficult for ourselves and for our loved ones, for our friends and relatives. We're going to do a shopping because we're going to wear some clothes on so and so's wedding. We are so into this that the so and so people are coming, what I'm going to wear, and when we are in that function, most of us, we compare ourselves with each other, and some of us, we ask questions, oh, what brand it is, even we cannot afford, we go for a loan, we borrow, we use our credit cards. So, and then at the end, we struggle to pay off those debts. We need to ask this question to ourselves. What are we doing? Where we are heading towards? The things I'm doing, am I doing for myself? Am I doing for my own pleasure? Am I doing for the pleasure of my Almighty, of my God, of my Lord, of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? So, where is the sincerity gone? So as I said, simple daily or routine life who made it so difficult. So my humble request to all of us, including myself, let's make life easy. Let's make our life and other people's lives, the people are connected with us, easy.